Whenever you feel grateful, whenever you say thank you, who exactly are you directing that to? Because you might just be reinstalling a program that isn't working for you. But in this video, you'll learn how you can redirect your thank yous from separateness back to a source you just might not be expecting. When you say thank you, where are you directing that intention? Let's say you have a good night's sleep, or you find a $5 bill on the ground. Who exactly are you thanking when you feel that impulse, that feeling of appreciation and gratitude rise up? For most people, it feels like it's an entity outside of themselves. The thank you then reasserting some degree of separation, or implying on some level that some other entity deemed or decided to bestow a gift upon you. What if you tried instead thanking yourself, thanking your literal selves for their vibration, because it was you who was in vibrational vicinity of the gift or blessing you received? You did that. The entirety of the universe within created a circumstance in the universe without, or externally, for yourself, a gift from you to you. For example, one could see the practice of thanking in advance and aligning with the law of assumption through this lens as well. So when you thank something in advance, who or what are you thanking? Are you thanking this external reality? The universe that feels outside of yourself? God or a deity that you believe in? Or maybe it's just the video game or the simulation. Whatever your beliefs are, where is that thank you directed? When you begin to realize that through the law of attraction, the only way that anything in the outside comes into your personal reality is through your vibrational match to it, and that you are the only one truly in control of your own vibration. So you have to thank yourself. As well, your vibration is not singularly your thoughts or emotions, but as well very physically dictated by your cellular presence, meaning each and every single cell is vibrating. The very physical matter that is you is vibrating, sending these vibrational waves out into reality. And then the majority of you, that 99.999% of you on an atomic level that is space, is your magnetism. This is your signal and your receiving. Your literal cells are vibrating in a way that is allowing other vibrational waves, other frequencies, to either match or move on. So when you thank in advance, you can literally direct that thank you to your own self, and more specifically, even to your own cells, to your own physical self, for vibrating in accordance with the thing that you want, for shifting to that place where you can magnetically attract it, for fishing out that vibrational stance in order to have exactly what it was that you deemed you wanted with your mind. And the only reason that you got it was because what you focused on with your mind, you followed up with an intentional vibrational state that put out a signal or a frequency through you, through your physical body. You can thank yourself for that. These words, thank you, the word thank evolved from the word think. You thought thoughts that created feelings and together altered your vibration to a point that allowed you to become a match to a pleasing outcome. You did that. You created that reality. While appreciation for all the facets and details at play, and a genuine love for life and its many parts is wonderful, you are truly the only one who can choose your own vibration, and thus have a say in what you receive. Since this is inherently true, how can your appreciation be focused solely outside of yourself? You are the one who withdrew from an infinite expanse of every possibility. You are the one who controlled your own vibration. You are the one who withdrew from an infinite expanse of every possibility. If you want to understand your own power more deeply and really hone in on the creative power of your words and vibrations, you might want to consider the Word is Your Wand bundle. Like this shift in understanding that think comes from think, which only draws the focus back to the universe within, your words literally are your wand. And when you understand this power, your life begins to feel magical.